Hey there friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something truly fascinating to share with you. Ever thought about pouring rice into a sock? Trust me, there's a brilliant reason behind it, and you're about to find out exactly why in this video. First things first, let's talk about rice. The amount you'll need depends on the size of the sock you're using. So grab your rice and let's get started. Now pick out a sock, but here's the trick: go for one that's a bit larger. Why? You'll see in just a moment. And for easier filling, grab a funnel. It'll save you from spilling rice all over the place. Start pouring that rice in. Make sure it flows all the way to the end of the sock. We want to create a nice rice-filled ball at the bottom. Once you've filled it up, tie a knot at the top. But leave some space, we don't want rice spilling out everywhere. Your rice-filled sock is ready for action. But what exactly can you do with it? Step 1. The microwave. Pop it in for 1 to 2 minutes on the highest temperature. Careful, it might be hot. But don't worry, it should be nice and warm, perfect for what's to come. Whether you're lounging on the sofa or getting ready for bed, this warm sock is a game changer. It'll make your nights extra cozy and soothe any aches and pains. And here's the best part: you can use it over and over again. Just give it a quick zap in the microwave each time. So there you have it, folks, the incredibly brilliant reason why you should pour rice into a sock. Give it a try and thank me later.